If you run ServiceNow AI, GitLab Duo Agent Platform, Spring AI ingestion, or public MCP-style tool servers, today's action is patching and exposure review. The biggest risks are critical ServiceNow AI platform bugs, GitLab AI Gateway issues that can leak cloud AI credentials, and a ToolUniverse server flaw where an unauthenticated reachable tool can execute code as the server process. First, CVE 2026-18885 and CVE 2026-18886 in the ServiceNow AI platform. NVD lists both as CVSS 10 critical. One is code injection, the other is improper access control. ServiceNow's advisory text says the code injection issue could let an unauthenticated user, in certain circumstances, execute arbitrary code in the ServiceNow platform and access or modify instance data. The access control issue could let an unauthenticated user create or modify instance data beyond what was intended, resulting in privilege escalation. ServiceNow says it has deployed a security update to hosted instances and provided updates to partners and self-hosted customers, and says it is not currently aware of malicious exploitation. The defensive move is simple: confirm your instance is covered, apply the update or patched release, and review recent privileged data changes and unusual AI platform activity. Second, GitLab AI Gateway has two high-severity records, CVE 2026-19889 and CVE 2026-75871. Both are CVSS 8.2. The affected ranges include AI Gateway versions up to 19.0.12, 19.1 through 19.1.7, and 19.2 through 19.2.2, with one record starting at 18.9 and the other at 18.10. The risk is not generic AI hype. NVD says an authenticated user with Duo Agent Platform access could redirect model or outbound model requests to an externally controlled endpoint, leading to disclosure of Google Vertex AI, AWS Bedrock, Google Cloud Vertex credentials, or private signing keys. Upgrade the AI Gateway, restrict who can use Duo Agent Platform features, and if you believe crafted model metadata or inline flow configuration was possible in your environment, rotate the relevant cloud credentials and review egress logs. Third, Spring AI published CVE 2026-47851 and CVE 2026-47852, both high at CVSS 7.5. The first is an availability issue where analyzing a PDF with a deeply nested or cyclic table of contents can cause a Stack Overflow error in the ingestion thread. The second is a model cache integrity issue. On a multi-user host, a local attacker can pre-create a deterministic cache path and plant a malicious ONNX model file. Affected versions include Spring AI 2.0.0, 1.1.0 through 1.1.8, and 1.0.0 through 1.0.9. Patch Spring AI, limit untrusted document ingestion, and check cache directory ownership and isolation on shared servers. Checklist: confirm ServiceNow patches, upgrade GitLab AI Gateway and Spring AI, upgrade ToolUniverse to 1.3.0 or later, restrict access, rotate exposed credentials, and review logs.